Welcome back, Aisha. Yesterday, we talked about the fun part of your Halloween party. Music, food, and games. So, tell me, what happened next?
After dancing and games, we sat together in a circle. My friends wanted to tell scary stories. It was so exciting.
Oh, scary stories. That's a big part of Halloween. People love to feel a little scared, but safely, right?
Yes, exactly. We turned off the lights and used only candles. It was dark and quiet. Then, one of my friends started the first story.
That sounds spooky already. What was the story about?
It was about an old house. People say a ghost lives there. Every night, the lights turn on and off, even when nobody is home.
Oh, wow. That sounds scary. Let's practice your storytelling a little. You said people say a ghost lives there. Good grammar. You used lives, not live, because it's one ghost. Remember, he, she, it lives. I, you, they live.
Oh, yes, the ghost lives there, not the ghost live there.
Exactly. Great job catching that. Now, let's practice pronunciation. Ghost. The H is silent. We don't say ghost. It's just ghost. Try it slowly. Ghost.
Ghost.
Very good. And another useful word from your story is house. It sounds like house. Say it slowly. House.
House.
Perfect. So you can say, the ghost lives in the old house.
The ghost lives in the old house.
Beautiful. Now, how did you and your friends react to the story?
We screamed a little and laughed. It was scary, but also funny.
That's wonderful. Let's learn some expressions people use in such moments. That's so scary. Or, oh my God. Or, I can't believe it. Or, no way. These are natural ways to show surprise or fear in English conversations.
Oh, so if my friend tells me something shocking, I can say, no way.
Exactly. It means really or I don't believe it, but in a friendly way.
No way.
Perfect. You sound very natural. Now, after the first story, did you tell a story too?
Yes, my turn came next. I told a story about a black cat that could talk. It wasn't very scary, but my friends liked it.
That's a cute idea. A talking cat. So you said it wasn't very scary. Good sentence. Let's talk about the word wasn't. It's short for was not. We often use it in spoken English. Say it with me. Wasn't.
Wasn't.
Good. We use wasn't for singular subjects, he, she, it, or one thing. For example, it wasn't scary. She wasn't at home. He wasn't late.
Okay. And for many people, we use weren't, right?
Excellent, yes. We weren't there. They weren't afraid. That's the plural form.
English is becoming easier when I talk like this.
That's because you're learning with context and emotion. When English feels real, your brain remembers it faster.
That's true. I can imagine the stories, so I remember the words better.
Exactly. That's called visual learning. You're connecting words to pictures in your mind. Now, tell me, what did your friends say after your story?
They said, "That's interesting." And one of them said, "You speak English very well." That made me so happy.
Oh, that's wonderful feedback. When people encourage you, it gives confidence. And that's interesting is a very good expression. It means, that's nice, or that's something new.
Yes, I like it. That's interesting.
Perfect. Let's talk about pronunciation of interesting. Many learners say it with 4 syllables. Sting. But in natural speech, native speakers say it faster. Interesting. Say it slowly with me. Interesting.
Interesting.
Excellent. Now you sound natural.
Thank you. My English is improving, teacher.
You're doing great. Remember, confidence grows when you use English in real situations, like your Halloween party. Now, did your friends share more stories after yours?
Yes, one of them told a story about a forest at night. He said he saw a light moving behind the trees.
That sounds scary. Let's correct one small thing. You said he saw a light moving. That's perfect grammar. When we report someone's words, we use the past tense. Said, not say. That's called reported speech.
Oh, so if my friend says, I see a ghost, I can later say, he said he saw a ghost?
Exactly, Aisha. You changed both verbs to past tense. Say changed to said, see changed to saw. That's perfect reported speech.
I understand now. He said he saw a ghost.
Wonderful! Let's also practice some adjectives that describe scary stories. Creepy means a little scary in a strange way. Mysterious, something you can't understand easily. Dark, not only about light, but also mood. For example, the story was dark and mysterious.
Oh, nice words. So I can say, the story was creepy and mysterious.
Exactly. You're using them perfectly. Now, when you listen to your friends' stories, what were you feeling?
Sometimes I was scared, sometimes I laughed, but I felt happy because everyone was enjoying the time.
That's great. Notice your sentence. I felt happy because everyone was enjoying the time. You used past tense for felt and was enjoying. Excellent grammar. Let's check pronunciation. Felt. The T sound is light. Say it softly. Felt.
Felt.
Perfect. You speak clearly and naturally now.
Thank you. I am learning from every sentence we talk about.
That's the best way to learn, Aisha. When you think, feel, and speak in English, it becomes part of you.
Wow, that sounds powerful. English becomes part of you.
Yes, when you stop translating and start feeling the language, that's when fluency begins.
I think I'm starting to feel that, teacher.
I can hear it in your voice. Your words sound more natural and confident. That's the magic of practice, just like telling scary stories in English.
Maybe I will tell one more story in English next year.
I'm sure it will be even better next year.